Hey guys, welcome to NS Tech Videos. Today I'll be showing you how to purchase Safemoon the fastest way. This video is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice and I am not your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence before you purchase. I'm just showing you how I purchased Safemoon. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. To purchase Safemoon, you'll need to download an app called Trust Wallet. You can download that on the App Store, Google Play, or Android. Have the app downloaded, go ahead and open that app up. Once you're in the app, you'll need to buy BNB. You can buy BNB using your credit or debit card in the app. Once you have BNB, you'll need to convert it to Smart Chain. I already have Smart Chain, so I will not be converting mine, but I'll show you how to convert BNB into Smart Chain. Convert BNB into Smart Chain, you'll click at the bottom of the screen where it says DEX, and it'll take you to this screen, and then you'll select BNB on the top, and at the bottom you'll select BNB Chain, and then you'll just go ahead and swap. Convert Smart Chain into Safemoon, you'll need the browser feature at the bottom of your screen. And to get the browser feature, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can go ahead and click on that link and add the browser feature. Once you have the browser feature, click on the browser and it will take you to a new screen. And on the top in the search bar, type in Pancake Swap. And once you type in Pancake Swap, hit search at the bottom of the screen and then click on Pancake Swap. And it will take you to this screen. And on the top, click on Connect, then click on Trust Wallet, and you can see on the top is connected. Scroll down and you'll see BNB right next to that where it says max. Hit max, or you can put the amount that you want to convert. Then click select a currency at the bottom and then type in Safemoon and click on Safemoon, and you'll see the fees that Safemoon charges. Make sure you understand those fees and click I understand, and then click continue. You'll need to change the slippage, and in order to change the slippage, click on the three bars on the top and then keep changing the numbers until you get it right. It used to be 0.11 or 0.12%, but now they keep raising it, so just keep doing it until you get that right. Once you have it, hit swap and then confirm swap. If you get this error message, that means slippage needs to be raised, so just go back in there and raise the slippage. And once you have the slippage right, you will be able to go ahead and swap. Once you get to this screen, confirm the fees and hit send. And then go back to your Trust Wallet. You will not see Safemoon there. Don't worry about it. You can get to Safemoon by clicking on the two bars on the top. Once you click on that, you'll see search bar. Type in Safemoon in the search bar and you will see Safemoon pop up, and then just go ahead and turn the toggle on. Once you do that, hit done and you'll see Safemoon in your Trust Wallet. So if this video helped, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment below and I'll try to answer those for you. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.